Hey guys, what's up? Today's gonna be like a impromptu visit to PLATOS CLOSET because the one in my area is I think closing, so I keep getting texts that they have like 30-20% off, and then today I got a text saying they have 30% off. So let's see what they have today. Today's day is just, at home again. We're gonna be here, see what we find. I don't know what we'll find, and yeah. Okay, we're back from PLATOS CLOSET. I went inside, got some items. There wasn't really a lot since store's kind of getting sold. So these are some of the items I got. I have my receipt right here. Basically everything I got was 30% off, and so my total came out to be $41.30. And so let me show you. Okay, so these pants I got for $6.30, and they look like this. They're like the, what everyone's using now, like the dress pants that look like the dress pants. And these are it. They're originally from Forever 21, and they are a medium. The next one I have are these joggers that they were $8. They're a size large, and they're 5'6". Came out to be $5.60. They look like this, pretty casual. Wanted some joggers since I only have one pair, and since I'm usually home, I like to be comfy. So these are it, and plus they're large, so it's fine. The next item is this dress that's from the brand GB, and it's a medium. And it looks like this. It's a dress, but I kind of want to use it as like a cute little like overall dress. I'm planning to use it like a cute little overall dress. Wear like shirts underneath, or a long sleeves sweater underneath. It looks like this. The next two items I bought them, which I'm pretty excited about. This one, but it's long, and it's a jumpsuit from the brand Loft, and it's a small. They have it like jumpsuit / like overalls. Looks like this. It's pretty long on me, so I might just have to hem it. It looks like this. And then the other item is this this brand, Altare State, and it's a small. It's like a dress, and looks like this. I got it because it's cute. It's like it was 30% off. It was $14, but I got it for $9.30. And then the overalls I got it for $11.20. And so I got I got 5 items in the whole store. There wasn't really a lot, I guess. And yeah, those are the items. That's it for today's little impromptu visit. Today I'm gonna be still applying for jobs, so maybe that's it. I'm probably gonna do a little, along with this in today's video, it's also gonna be this is a little daily vlog kind of, so don't worry, I'll share how my life is going, and then I'll show you guys what I'm gonna make for dinner tonight. So yeah, keep it posted. Okay, so today we are making flautas. It's my first time making them since, when I do go out, I get them to, be on the safe side because you can never F up flautas, right? I mean, I would hope so. Yeah, so we're gonna make, as you can see, I have a recipe pulled up, from thekitchen.com. I looked on Food Network, it was too much. And then another one on recipes.com. The man had olives. I'm like, what kind of flautas are you having? Because I'm not having olives in my flautas. So yes, we're gonna make it. And hopefully it goes good. Okay, so we have the chicken breast in here. Okay, so this is how I keep them up. Yeah, so how are you guys? How's everyone doing? Let me know down below. How was your January? How was your January? Did anything fun happen? What are you waiting for in February? Also let me know down below what kind of videos you like to see. This is how they turned out. I ate some because I was starving. And this is how they turned out. Some of them are a little more, you know, crispier than others. This is queso fresco, sour cream. Yeah, so they're okay. Yeah, they were good.